Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. Before we calculate this one, we need to graph about y equals to e to the power of s squared. So the graph should be like this. So we just graph from s equals to number 0 to s equals to number 1. Here is about the graph of this one in here. So we put about natural log for the both sides. And this one we have the formula. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And this one that is about number 1. So we can put like this. Now we put the square root for the both sides. And we have like this. So we have positive and negative. So if we look carefully, this one is similar in here. So the question they want to find the integration from number 1 to e. Now let's consider about this one. So this one that is about number 1, and this one in here that is about e. So how can I get this one? So because when we put s equals to number 1 go in here, we have y equals to e. So we can see that this integration in here represent this area in here. And then this integration in here, that is about this area in here. So when we combine two areas, we can see that this is about the area of rectangle. That means that is about this one. So we want to find the value of this one. We just calculate the area of the rectangle. So that should be about from 0 to number 1, that is about 1. From 0 to e, that is about e. So that should be about 1 multiplied by e, and we got e. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.